So today I'm going to show you a few decorations that you can make to decorate your table for Thanksgiving, including these little autumn leaf luminaries. It's kind of bright, so it's hard to see. It's lit up right now, but at the end of the video I will show you a picture of it lit up in the dark. So you can make a cute Thanksgiving table centerpiece by laying out a piece of buffalo plaid to use as a table runner. And then lay out a little circle of leaves. You can use real leaves, but I was filming this in the winter time, so most of the real leaves were gone. And then set a candle in the center of that. Put some more leaves on either side of that, evenly spacing them out down the table runner. And then just take some small gourds, the Jack B. Littles. You can use white ones, orange ones, whatever, and run them along the table in between all the leaves. And then you've got yourself a nice cute little centerpiece that's very easy to clean up too afterwards, so that's always nice when you don't have to do a lot of fuss to clean up. For the luminaries, just take a mason jar and you just want to glue some leaves inside. Again, I'm using fake leaves, but you can use real leaves if you want to, though you'll have to be kind of careful if they're not flexible, otherwise they'll crumble on you, but you get fresh leaves and they should be nice and flexible, and you can use real ones. The light I'm going to use in this is battery powered. You don't want to use real ones, otherwise you'll probably light something on fire. So once you've got the leaves all the way around, you should have all the walls of the glass covered. And then you can just drop a little light inside. And because they're just hot glued on, the glue will come off the glass if you want to use the jar for something else later on. And so here it is in the dark, and it glows nicely. Obviously an orange tea light would be better, but I just had the white. Then if you want to give your plates an autumn feel, you can lay down a large plate and run some leaves all the way around the outside. Fake leaves might be best for this, just because real ones will probably crumble unless they're super fresh. If you got super fresh ones, then go for it. And then you can just set a bowl or a cup or another smaller plate, which is my personal favorite because it kind of sandwiches the leaves and keeps them from moving. And then you can always set something on top of that. So, happy Thanksgiving!